Hey guys, so today we have this. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This came out this year. It's about a month to 2 months old. The model I've got is the 1TB 12GB model, and I've got it in the green. So what I'm just going to do right now is just a quick unboxing and show you how it first looks. I purchased mine from Samsung UK Direct, and I got mine on offer. Strong seal. So I got mine on offer with a trade-in. There's two seals here. So I've traded in my S21 Ultra, which I got £590 for, and I also used their discount code, which gave you extra £250 off if you upgraded to the 512GB model. But once I ordered it and it was all confirmed, they sent me over the 1TB. I'm not sure if that was a mistake or they've just done that out of goodwill. Not too sure. There was no letters or anything like that. So once you've opened both sides of the seal, you just slide the box open and you're introduced to the phone straight away. The colour does look really nice. On first sight, it doesn't look green to me. It looks like a lightish bluish grey more than a green. I don't see any elements of green right now, but I do understand different lighting can change that colour. So other than that, if you lift this up, this is where your cable will be. This is where your warranty and just little pack of pretty much nothing anymore will be all in. The SIM injection tool, cable and paperwork. That's pretty much it, guys. You get a Type-C to Type-C 1 meter. If you do have an old Samsung device, you will be able to use that on this. I think this does accept 45-watt charging. I mean, I've got a 25-watt charger. I'm more than happy to carry on using that. But with this, you also, if you buy it before the offer ends, you get the Galaxy Watch 4, which is about £200. You probably pick it up for secondhand for about £150. And you also get 1 year Disney Plus, and you also get the accessory kit, which is the case, the charger. It's a bit annoying you don't get the charger straight away, and the case pack when you bought the phone, because you're meant to use the phone for a couple of weeks without one. I'm guessing you're going to have to then buy a charger if you don't own one. So taking the phone out, oh, it does feel really nice and premium on the hand. As you can see, they've upgraded the camera compared to last year. There's not much else different about this phone, guys. So turning it around, you see there's a peel here. I want to do this right so I can reuse. So it looks like there's a pull tab here. So you need to pull it off this way. Guys, I would normally recommend, if you're going to do this, as soon as you do this, you should already have ideally a case if you're going to use one, or just an outer screen protector, because I mean the inside has already got a screen protector on it that can be replaced. Good thing, not like the first few models. And as you can see, that is the colour. It does look gorgeous. I'll just carry on taking it off. It is a wide phone. It's my first fold, guys. I may struggle, but I'll keep you guys updated. So as you can see, here's the phone in all its glory. And I don't know if you can see on camera, but there is a screen protector. It's a bit annoying, I've got a little dink on my screen protector. Doesn't seem to go. So it's not the best application from Samsung. Yeah, fairly thin phone. And there's the front, guys. So that was a quick unboxing. There's going to be many videos, trust me, using this phone. But yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and get ready for a lot more videos relating to this phone, including car accessories, other accessories, cases, chargers, name it. I'll be doing it soon. Peace out, guys.